Alright, what's up, dudes? Got a little video for you at the end of the week here. We'll go over Bitcoin. ZEC crashed. There are some stocks that I want to show you because they are about to go up only mode, and that's free money for you guys. And some exchanges wanted to sponsor me, so that's cool. So we'll look at that stuff as well. Alright, so first off, we have Bitcoin. I've been saying Bitcoin's in a bear market forever. Nothing has changed. I told everyone we were going to get a little Santa rally here, albeit it was a week. I was a week early on that one. Came in the first week of January, but we got this jump up to about 94K, and that's a little bit weaker of a move than I thought was going to happen. I thought we would get a draw on 98, maybe 103K. And I could be wrong about this, and we do get that juice to 100K. That's my top level for sure. I, without a doubt, am like 100% certain on this being the first of three much larger moves down. But to finish my thought, at the moment it looks pretty weak. It looks like we topped out at 94, which was a draw on liquidity, but there were a few more, up to 103. As you can see, there's a gap here. But the next one is 70K, and we can teleport down there pretty quick. If price starts, especially if price starts breaking below this 86 point, it's super fast. There's nothing there. Buyers are not interested. Down here, from 60 to 70, we're likely going to chop a little bit, sort of like this. It can be a little weird. Maybe we'll take over Greenland. Some bullish news will come out, and we'll just chop around there. All the Bitcoin Andes and Michael Saylor. I'm pretty sure Michael Saylor has like a weird liquidation level at around 70K. So really interesting stuff is going to happen there. I would really love to see him burn up in flames because I don't know, he's just kind of weird, and he blew up in the early 2000s. And if we're looking at like a whole Illuminati standpoint, I kind of see him burning up in flames again, and his company goes to zero. So we'll see if that happens. What's next? We got ZEC. So ZEC crashed again. I made a video earlier, about a month ago, about how the only reason I had this on my chart was to short it. And nothing's changed there, really, at all. It just dropped like 30%. It's going to keep dropping till we get to like $40, and then it'll probably just stay there forever. This was just a 2025 fad trend, and nothing will really come of it. The only reason Bitcoin is a success is because people believe in it. That whole up only forever permanent supply, it only works because people buy into it. So the whole model of ZEC, it would require people to basically switch, which is never going to happen because the owner is like a weird dude that likes to wear dresses. So that'll never happen. Now let's get into the stocks I was talking about that are going to go freaking rippy mode. We're going to go into Netflix first. Remember who told you to buy Netflix at $89? And when you are sending the gift card to my daughter's wedding, make the thank you card out to Jesse Hayden. Because this is free money. It's going to 120, free 25% gains. People will tell you that 12% a year is good. If you invest in a Roth, they'll give you 12% a year and then tell you that was great. It's not. That's trash. So this is free 25%. I have a better play though. Let me tell you the technicals behind this. It's a higher low. So from a structural price action standpoint, this is bullish. We just filled this draw on liquidity from the April crash, where everything crashed when Trump just got elected. Everyone remember that? We just filled that gap. So now we're up. We're good for all-time highs on Netflix. It's not like anybody closed their subscription. This is going significantly higher and probably goes to 200 plus. Okay, Oracle, Larry Ellison is going to get another island. Okay, you're not stopping Larry Ellison. There were like 3 people that got to talk at Trump's inauguration dinner, and he was one of them. And he took most of the time up. This guy controls the world that we live in. He freaking bought TikTok. All right, this is going up forever. Same idea as the Netflix play. We filled these gaps lower from the April 7th crash. We have a weird gap above to 250 plus. We will likely sweep up here to 300 and then come back down to place us support and resistance around 250 and then start trending for new all-time highs. If we're speaking on like the next like 9 to 15 months, that's probably what price action will look like there. But both of them are free money. This is Oracle's a 50% gain. Netflix is a 50% gain. You throw everything you have at these, and you'll perform better than all of your friends that are soft and invest everything into a Roth IRA. And let somebody else manage your money. Why would you do that? You're gonna let some dude who like goes out to goes out 3 nights a week manage all your money when you're like grinding your life away to, pay your bills. Like the entire concept of it doesn't make much sense to me. But you would only really think that way if you were like spending schizophrenic hours looking at charts like me. So in all honesty, it's not that far. It's not that bad. They do well. They do make money for you, but they could make a lot more. They put the more in their pocket and give you the 12%. Last order of business, I got sponsored. Or no, I didn't get sponsored. I got offered the opportunity to get sponsored by 2 exchanges. Can you believe that? A top 10 exchange, MEXC, which is they're pretty big. They do a couple $1 billion in volume. I'm pretty sure they're big with like Mexico and like South America and stuff. They're not permitted in the U.S. So this would be but I don't think either of these are permitted. So if I did promote for them, it would just be weird because I would just be shilling them for no real reason. And as you can see, they're not offering me like anything to like majorly bite on. And we're only at 1,500 followers, right? So if those guys are coming out to offer some stuff right now, who knows what lies later down the road when we're at like 3,000 followers? You know what I mean? I'm holding out for that poly market deal, bro. I want a nice little chain. So you know what I'm saying? So that's all good fun. And yeah, definitely look into that Oracle and Netflix play. It's not too late. Oracle is up 5%. I started telling people to get in there at 195. Started telling people to get into Netflix at 90. Both of those are still free money and basically at the entry. So definitely look into that. And remember who told you. Please subscribe to Jesse Hayden. Thank you. Bye-bye.